Hey everyone, this is your favorite pilot, Scott. We're about ready to go do some night currency landings. It sounds like quite a task. It's not really that bad, but we have to get in, let's see, we have to get in 3 takeoffs and landings to a full stop at night, which is considered to be 1 hour after sunset. And 1 hour after sunset, which was 7:15 here at Carlsbad, would be 8:15, and it is currently 7:30. So we are going to go do our run up, check the plane out, make sure it's ready for flight, and then we're going to do a little roundy rounds and then get used to it, and then come in and we're going to get our landings in. So here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and check the weather.
10, sky condition 13,000 scattered, temperature 23, dew point 19, altimeter 2987. That's runway 24 approaching use. Hazardous weather information available, plot service frequency, voluntary noise, update and procedure in effect. On initial contact advise you have information, Tango.
Tango, what'd you ask? We're going to say Palmer ground, 733 Whiskey Tango at inner PCF with information Tango, taxi 24. It sounds really official. It sounds like all pilot talk, but it's really not that big of a deal. Watch this. Palomar ground, 733 Whiskey Tango at inner PCF with information Tango, taxi 24.
Cessna 3 Whiskey Tango ground, runway 24, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha, 3 Whiskey Tango.
Cessna 0 Alpha Charlie, runway 24, cleared to land.
Alright, do a little break check.
Cessna NRA 219 tower, runway 24, cleared to land number 2, following Cessna Midfield, North Taiwan.
Palmer Tower, this is 3 Whiskey Tango, holding short 24 Alpha 1 for right close traffic.
Cessna 0 Alpha Charlie, taxi parking via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha, 950 Alpha Charlie.
Denver 3 Whiskey Tango, make correct close traffic, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Runway 24, clear for takeoff, 3 Whiskey Tango, right close traffic. Yeah. Alright. Stages are in the green. Airspeed's coming live. There we go. Wow, what a nice night to go flying. Alright, Eddie. There we go. Alrighty. Hey guys, it's your pilot, your favorite pilot, Scott. We're back here at Carlsbad Airport on a Sunday night, getting our night qualifications in. So, what does that mean? That means if I'm going to carry passengers, I have to do 3. Count them, 1, 2, 3. Oh no, dos, tres. I have to do 3 takeoffs and landings at night. And I've got a few in here. Nighttime is considered 1 hour after sunset. Sunset was 7:15, 7:13 tonight, and it is currently 8 o'clock, 10 after 8. So we're out here getting our landings in, and we're going to make this right. So welcome aboard. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. There's Alpha 2. We got to go all the way down to Alpha 1. I came in...
Whiskey Tango, you ready at the end, or do you want some time?
I can take an immediate departure.
Oh, it doesn't need to be immediate. I was ready. I wanted to know if you were ready, but since you are, you can make a right traffic. And runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Runway clear 24, clear for takeoff, 3 Whiskey Tango. Thank you guys very much. Appreciate you guys.
From Runway 474, traffic 130, 3 miles southbound VFR, altimeter indicates 3,100, possibly descending. That is unverified, I'm not talking to them.
Yeah, we have them inside, Bonnie 474, thank you.
Alright. We got sound. Look at those beautiful lights, everybody. Alright, there we go. Airspeed's in the green, airspeed's coming alive. Come on, little girl, let's go. Let's be a good plane. Get up. Keep. Runway, hold the runway, there we go. And up into the sky in our beautiful Cessna. Up in the sky, our beautiful Cessna. You guys probably don't want to hear me sing. But, oh man, I just realized you guys can't even see.
So any ground pursuit is requested.
Hello, my tower is Bonnie 474, could you increase the lighting of the runway, is that possible?
Sure, stand by.
Okay, let's take a...
Runway 474, is that good? It goes one brighter if you want.
It's perfect, thank you, Bonnie 474.
Brighter, that's the setting everybody likes.
Perfect.
Alright, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm not sure what my camera shows. I gotta check it out. I really just got that camera tuned in to kind of like the way I like it, but we're gonna have to point the nose a little bit, northwest? Bring it in a little bit.
Bonnie 474 is requesting taxi to
If you guys can look, there's 4 white lights. Those white lights are visual landing lights. I need to turn one on, at least 2 of them red as I get down here. So let's turn some red. Watch. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna turn red. We're gonna really turn red. Come on, red. There's one. Now we got all 4 red. That just kind of tells you where you're landing at. I'm kind of coming in high tonight. I'm kind of a little bit amateur hour, but you know, let's see. Oh, 1,000 footers.
Whiskey Tango, give way to that Cirrus, they should be turning into Atlantic.
Roger that, we'll look for the Cirrus.
Tango Sierra. Kansas Romeo Hotel, following the Cessna, right base to a mile final.
Inside Romeo Hotel.
Romeo Hotel number 2, runway 24, clear line.
Number 2, clear land, Romeo Hotel.
Alright, coming on down. Look at that nice pretty runway. Hopefully we'll get down there. Get down, Bobby Brown. Booyah! Blink that tail. There we go.
14 Sierra, contact departure 119.6.
Contacting tower, or contacting SoCal at 119.6, 14 Sierra.
Whiskey Tango, turn left runway 24, taxi to Alpha this frequency.
We'll remain on frequency, turn left, taxi via Alpha 24. 3 Whiskey Tango. Alright guys, gonna do another roundy round. Right, Palomar Tower, Cessna 733, Whiskey Tango, holding short, 24 Alpha 1 for right, close traffic.
Whiskey Tango, right traffic, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, 3 Whiskey Tango. Alright, gauges are in the green. Airspeed's coming alive. She's running. She's running. I won't be there. Oh.
Tango, turn left, 24, taxi via Alpha.
Turn left at Alpha 4 and taxi via Alpha 3 Whiskey Tango. We'll do one more lap around the track here and give you guys your night back at 3 Whiskey Tango.
Tango, Roger. I'm here till 10. Whatever you want to do.
I want to stay married, but I like airplanes. 3 Whiskey Tango.
Me too.